This is just a test. We're gonna do an iPad Pro unboxing with a 12.9. This is the box I got from Best Buy. It's 256 gigabytes, 12.9 inch, 5th generation, Wi-Fi only. So we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing now. Space gray. We're gonna use this. We have USB-C cable with the adapter. All right, we're gonna do the unboxing of the new pencil, 2nd generation. This is going to be used for the iPad Pro. So it's the 2nd generation. Go ahead and do the unboxing. A little tab here. Pull that out. Is. Of course, there's always documents and stickers and stuff. Let me go ahead and take that out. So it has the flat side here. You put it to charge. Go ahead and take this out. The iPad. But we can go ahead and I haven't even set it up yet, but hello. And it sticks on really nice. Here we go. We're gonna do the unboxing for the new iPad Magic Keyboard. Let's go ahead and open it up. There we go. Folds into a case to provide front and back protection for traveling with iPad Pro. The Magic Keyboard is an amazing companion for iPad Pro 12.9 inch. It features an incredible typing experience. This little quick starter guide shows you how to connect it to the Magic Keyboard. A USB-C port for pass-through charging and front and back protection. The Magic Keyboard has a floating cantilever design, allowing you to attach iPad Pro magnetically and to smoothly adjust it to the perfect viewing angle for you. Smooth angle adjustability delivers a perfect viewing angle. Designed for multi-touch gesture and the cursor in iPad OS. USB-C port for charging iPad Pro, freeing up the port on the iPad for other accessories. Magic Keyboard is compatible with all iPad Pro 12.9 inch, starting from 3rd generation, 4th generation, 5th generation. Thanks for watching. why don't you hit that like button and subscribe?